Hello, friends. Welcome to SWT English Learning. My name is Jack, and today I want to share something very close to me. This is not about English directly. It's about another language I learned, Spanish. Why Spanish? Because when I was learning it, I discovered lessons that can also help you in your journey to learn English. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. I will speak slowly, clearly, and simply, so that every word is easy to follow. The beginning of my journey. Years ago, I was young, full of energy, and full of dreams. I wanted to learn Spanish quickly. I thought it would be simple. I said to myself, "This will be easy. I'll learn fast." I imagined myself traveling, making new friends, and speaking freely in another language. But reality was different. When I first listened to Spanish speakers, I understood nothing. Their words came like a river, fast, non-stop, impossible to catch. I sat quietly, smiling on the outside, but inside I felt lost. I didn't speak. Not even one word. My mouth was closed. My confidence was gone. I even thought, maybe I'm not good at languages. But deep inside, a little voice whispered, "Don't quit, Jack. Try again, just once more." The first small step. So, I made a small decision. Not a big one, a tiny one. I said to myself, don't try to understand everything, just catch one word. And then it happened. I heard someone say, "Hola." It means hello. That was my first word. One simple word, but it gave me hope.
Hola, hola. I repeated it softly. I said it in the morning when brushing my teeth, while walking to the bus. That one word became mine. It was like holding a little light in the dark. So I continued. Every day, one word. Gracias. Pan. Sí. I didn't write them down. I didn't memorize lists. I just lived with them. Little by little, those small words became my strength. When the mouth and brain don't work together. But still, I had a problem. I could think of words, but I couldn't speak them fast. My brain and my mouth felt like enemies. Then I discovered something new. Shadowing. Shadowing is simple. You listen to a speaker and repeat the words at the same time, like a shadow following them. For example, if the speaker says, "My name is Jack," you say at the exact same time, "My name is Jack." At first, it felt strange. My tongue was heavy. My brain was slow. But I didn't give up. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. I shadowed every day. On the bus, in the kitchen, while walking. And slowly, something amazing happened. My mouth started to move faster. My brain started to follow. My voice began to sound more natural, like a real Spanish speaker. Shadowing became my teacher. a teacher that never left my side. But there was still one more secret, one small rule I created for myself. It was simple but powerful. 10 minutes every day. Not an hour, not 30 minutes, just 10. Even when I was busy, even when I was tired, even when I didn't feel like learning, I told myself, "Come on, Jack, just 10 minutes. You can do 10 minutes." And I did, every single day. Sometimes in the morning, sometimes before bed, sometimes on a walk. No big pressure, no big goals, just 10 minutes. That tiny habit changed everything. After just 1 week of practicing 10 minutes every day, I felt more comfortable. After 1 month, I could understand more. And after a few months, I was speaking more clearly. Not because I worked hard for one single day, but because I showed up every single day. That's the true power of small steps, tiny steps, simple steps but taken again and again. The results of small habits. Did I speak perfect Spanish? No. Did I know every single word? No. But I could do something more important. I could connect with people. I could order food. I could ask for help. I could make new friends. I could travel and feel free in a new language. That felt amazing. I wasn't perfect, but I was proud. And that pride gave me the confidence to keep learning. And then I realized something even bigger, something that can help you in your English journey. The real secret about learning languages. Language learning is not about speed. It's not about memorizing thousands of words in one day. It's not about having the perfect grammar book. It's about being consistent. It's about taking one step and then another and then another. You don't need to move to another country. You don't need a special teacher. You don't even need a big plan.
What you need is this: one small word, one small moment, and one small step every day. That's it. Why this matters for you? Maybe right now you feel shy. Maybe you feel slow. Maybe you think you're not good enough. But listen carefully. You are learning. You are growing. You are not alone. Speak to your mirror. Try one new word today. Listen to this channel tomorrow. And then, like me, you will notice change. Because change doesn't happen all at once. Change is a collection of little steps. A final message from Jack. My friends, thank you for being here with me. I hope my story about learning Spanish has given you hope for learning English. Remember, every small effort counts. Every word you say matters. Every minute you practice brings you closer to your goal. Stay patient, stay strong, and most importantly, believe in yourself. This is Jack, and you are watching SWT English Learning. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Together, we will keep learning, step by step, word by word, day by day. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep believing.